Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 16th March 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. And from today onwards, at the end of these reports, I will be generating stop buffers for all the indices and equity stocks listed in F&O segments. So you can find them at the end of this video. And even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All these training videos can be accessible from the playlist supply demand zone price action course at our YouTube channel. Even I am providing the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. You click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos can be accessible in an order. So please make use of this opportunity and strengthen our skills related to supply demand zone price action. I also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in the channel. Now let's get into report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate is bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, your LTF time frame, that is nothing but entry time frame, is daily, and the entry zone should be demand zone. In this parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, I am selecting bullish. And we will also add some filters. The first filter is we don't want any pierced zones. That's why I'm setting pierced count as 0. For the minimum value 0 and maximum value 0. That indicates the zone should not be pierced. Pierced count 0 indicates the zone is not pierced. Now let's filter the stocks. So this is the complete list. Let me scroll down. It is a big list. See, I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch the reports. You need to pause the video if you want to study any of your favorite stocks. And after that, you can proceed with the video. Because the list is big. Total how many stocks are there? 57 stocks are filtered. Maybe it is not easy for you to study all these stocks. So that is the reason why what I can do, I will add some filters. See, always a stock having zone achievement is a tradable zone. Especially the zone achievement violated opposing zone. So let me select VOP, violated opposing zone. And for bullish trade setups, the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. That is what we discussed. So I'm setting the value 12. Zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, not VOP. VOZ should be there. And let us filter based on these conditions. And now this is the filtered list, and all these stocks are having a minimum odd enhancer score 14 for demand zones. Here I didn't set the filter for supply zones because our entry zone is demand zone. So now look into all these stocks having odd enhancer score. Now total 20 stocks are filtered. Now you can pick up your favorite stocks from this list, and also you look into the risk and reward also. You know how to calculate RR. But remember, the risk is week to week. If you want to calculate from highest body of the base candle, that is type 2 proximal, the risk will be reduced and reward also further improved. So that's why please do not assume this is the final risk. This is the week to week. Study these stocks, focus on the risk, focus on the reward. Now I am not filtering any stocks near demand zones or supply zones. You can find from this list because they have good odd and enhancer scores. Sometimes you need to wait for few days until these prices entering into this zone. That is the important thing you have to understand, because these are all MIT trades. You may not get trades immediately tomorrow. You should have patience until they reach your zone. You can pick up some of your favorite stocks from this list. But remember, do not forget to check. Do not forget to verify fine-tuning the zone. You have to do fine-tuning the zone. After fine-tuning the zone, you should identify the order flows inside. Fine-tuned 5-minute zone should be there. Otherwise, the zone will be violated easily. We know when a zone will be violated. So that is the only thing you have to do. You already learned in lesson 16 how to fine-tune the zone. Okay, this is about bullish trade setup. Stocks currently supporting bullish trade setup. Now let us identify bearish trade setups. Entry time frame is daily and entry zone is supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup at daily time frame, I am selecting bearish. Only one filter we are going to set. That is, we don't want pierced count. So in daily time frame, I am setting the pierced value, minimum value 0, maximum value 0, indicates the zone is not pierced. Now let me filter. Currently only one stock is supporting the bearish trade setup. Now let us generate for bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, your entry time frame should be 75 minutes. Entry zone should be demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, for 75 minutes, I am selecting bullish. And I don't want pierced count, pierced zones. So I want to set pierced count for 75 minutes. The minimum value 0, maximum value 0 indicates the zone is not pierced. Now let me filter. Now we got a big list. So total 23 stocks are filtered. Now what I can do, I can set the parameters. We can filter. One parameter we can set is zone achievement should be there. That is violated opposing zone. And odd enhancer score should be 12. Minimum 12 should be there for bullish trade setup. So let us filter the stocks. So only 5 stocks are filtered. But you have to fine tune the zone. Fine tuning zone only will tell you the zone is having order flow or not. At 5 minutes time frame, if you find the order flows, that means you should have fine tuned 5-minute zones. Then it is safe to trade in that zone. Otherwise the zones will be violated. Even though you have good odd enhancer score, still zone will be violated. Because odd enhancer score is not defined based on fine tuning the zone. That you have to do, because it is a top down analysis you have to do from your daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame you have to do, and you need to find fine tuned 5-minute zones. Okay, this is about bullish trade setup for weekly income trade, and let us generate the final report. Bearish trade setup for a weekly income trade. Weekly income trade entry time frame, that is our LTF time frame, is 75 minutes. Entry zone should be supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup for 75 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. The only one filter I am setting is we don't want pierced count, pierced zones. That's why I am setting up pierced count for 75 minutes. I am setting 0, minimum 0, maximum 0, indicates the zone is not pierced. Now 4 stocks are filtered. Check the odd enhancer score. Only one stock is having odd enhancer score. The remaining all are having less score. Okay, this is about bullish and bearish trade setups for all the, monthly income trade and weekly income trade. Now I will generate stop buffers. So this is the ATR stop loss buffer report for all the sectorial indices and F and equity stocks listed in F and O segment. Please remember, they are not F and O stocks, they are equity stocks, but they are listed in that segment. First 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks. What I do, I will keep on scrolling the list. I will be giving you only few seconds time. And if you want to study any of these parameters, pause the video. And then you can proceed further. So this is the complete list of all the 199 scripts. Hope this information is useful to you. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.